beautiful MACD strategy. This MACD strategy that I am about to show you will change the way you trade. It is one with highest win rate ratio strategy you can possibly use in trading. Let's jump into trading view and add the MACD, or the moving average convergence divergence. Technically, this indicator uses moving averages to find trends in the market. The MACD is made up of histogram, signal line, zero line, and MACD line. MACD line, which is the blue line, usually is a 12 days moving average. The signal line, which is the orange line, is usually a 26-day moving average. Next we have the histogram, which represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. You can also see once the MACD line crosses above the signal line, the histogram turns green, and if the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it turns red. And finally, we have the zero line, which basically represents the center of the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator is a great tool at finding trends in markets. How you can tell if a chart is about to have an upward trend is by looking for a cross upwards between the MACD line and the signal line. For example, here the MACD crosses above the signal line, indicating the chart is in upward momentum. And here the MACD crosses below the signal line, indicating it is in downward momentum. You can also use the histogram to indicate how much momentum there actually is. If the histogram is getting bigger, that means there is an increase in momentum, and if it is getting smaller, there is a decrease in momentum. How you want to use this indicator is when the line's crossing upward, but only if they cross below the zero line. If they cross and it is above the zero line, you would not enter a trade. It is the same thing with shorting. You only enter a short trade if the lines are crossing downward.